Okay, so if you want yams, you really want yams, I got them in big ones. I don't know what these things are unless they're original oil or vinegar or something like that containers. Food warmers, whether you put them underneath a cabinet or put the food on top, I don't know. I've just turned away from the river and could be traveling in a north direction. I'll get to another main drag up here and hang a left and should be right back where I started in tourist land. A couple little pieces of interesting architecture. Almost looks like some modern version of a bellows. A whole complex of some sort. In the midst of all this commercialism, I've got to take this little vignette. This is what it's like being in the midst of at least some of these large apartment complexes. Most of the new ones range twice the size and height, but pretty much the same design, I think, with this commercial layer at the bottom. Oh, barber's chair. Look at how weathered that white plastic handle is. I would have thought these places had elevators, but apparently they don't. Wow. I bet you pay for the bottoms. This is interesting. A modern cylinder type design building with the pagoda and the wing off to the right side. Okay, I'm now going to turn left, go back where I came. This road probably is the one I got off on at the bus stop, so I need to be to the left of it at some point. Notice the newer, more modern looking, more interesting looking housing and the upscale shops on the bottom, which you'd expect on a main drag. There's kind of a little park area where several streets cross and leave a big space. I should be working my way back in this direction too. There are those large buildings that are under construction. Thought I'd sit here for a few minutes and watch this part of the world go around. I don't know if these guys are going to start that helicopter going. Oh, you got some altitude now. How do you get that thing to stop spinning? Wonder what the symbolism. An industrial piece. The ball bearing. Those large hex nuts. And it says it all. Shooting up the street where my hostel is, right on the left, just 4 or 5 doors up. I'll just pan around to get an idea how this Saturday is filling up. And if you see any Europeans, let me know, because I don't see any. People coming with any conveyance they have for their produce from out in the fields to the marketplace itself, down the street that we visit.